guys, it's Jen. 14:14 by my clock here in central Illinois. Monday, December 21st, 2020. Solstice and the great Saturn-Jupiter conjunction. It's so windy here. I can feel it, literally, palpably. Lots of Mars energy coming through too. I haven't looked into it, nor my chart. However, I'm feeling the fires of fury inside. It's justice o'clock, people. And Jen's gonna get some justice in this world. Oh yes, she is. Since her government and ruling authorities have failed her, she's gonna get some justice right about now. And they're gonna start by paying me the money that they owe me. Then they're gonna find me housing because Jen has to leave the shelter on Wednesday, right before Christmas. Merry fucking Christmas and happy fucking birthday, Jen. First time ever without my kids. Zero income, living off of fucking pittance and food stamps every month. Trying to go to school, trying to work my part-time job, trying. It's flip-flop time. The elites have had their chance, and now the haves become the have-nots, and vice versa.